Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, level 20 or higher, 50, 000 credits, and inventory with at least 10 free slots. Once done, open the map and accept the Chomik questline. This triggers the red matter spawn chain. Make sure your scanning module is active and that you carry 1/2 energy refill to survive the extraction window. These steps speed the process and avoid backtracking, so prepare them before you travel to the designated. Once at the ruin, approach the crystal array and scan each highlighted cluster twice. This primes the red matter lattice. Then solve the 3 nearby puzzles in sequence, rotate the glyphs, align the mirrors, then restore the power conduit, because completion of all 3 triggers the spawn window. Keep an eye on your timer and energy levels, and make use of short sprint bursts between puzzle nodes. After the 3rd puzzle, watch the central chamber. The Chomik will appear with the red matter aura. When the Chomik spawns with red matter, approach carefully and deploy your containment tool within 30 seconds. Hold steady while the extraction progress bar fills. Once you secure the red matter, immediately place it into a secure chest or locked inventory slot to prevent despawn or theft. If extraction fails or the Chomik flees, leave the area and re-enter to reset the spawn. This reliably clears the chain, so you can repeat the sequence without losing resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.